Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to create, save and share our favorite moments on Netflix app. So let's check it out. This is a new feature from Netflix. It lets us to save our favorite TV or movie scenes on the Netflix app. We can rewatch those specific scenes easily by this and we can quickly share them with our friends and family to enjoy. To do this, we need the Netflix app. This is available for both Android and iOS iPhone devices. Then we can open the app, go to a profile, and then we can go to any of our favorite movie or TV show. I'm going to choose Lucky Bhaskar here and I'm going to play this. So I'm just going to fast forward to my favorite scene. This is one of my favorite scenes in this movie, and when we are in this specific scene, we just have to tap the screen and we will have this moments option here. We just have to select this and we will get this page. Want to capture this moment, save moments you would like to rewatch or share, access them here or in my Netflix. So we just have to save the specific scene and it will go into one of these 5 boxes. We have 5 sections like this, so we can share 5 of our favorite scenes in a movie or in an episode. And at the bottom here we have share option. We can share this on social media apps like Instagram or on Facebook, messaging apps like WhatsApp. And suppose if we want to delete this scene, we have the delete option here as well. We can also go to my Netflix here at the bottom right, select this, and if we scroll down, we have this section moments you have saved. We can go there and we can see all our favorite scenes at a single place here, which is definitely pretty cool for rewatching without browsing the entire movie or series. These are the steps to create, save and share our favorite moments on Netflix app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.